The Russian Su-35 fighter was able to compete with the 5th-generation F-22 and F-35 generation in almost everything, and could surpass the competitiveness of foreign competitors, said Alexander Mikhailov, head of the Military Political Analysis Bureau, released by RIA.ru, the 18th of July 2019. The head of Rostec state company Sergey Chemezov said that the Russian Federation was ready to supply Turkey with the Su-35 multi-role fighter jet, if Ankara had such a desire. The U.S. ahead of Thursday announced a decision that by April 2020, it would exclude Turkey from the latest F-35 fighter production program, after the start of shipments to Russia's S-400 air defense system. In general, the Su-35 is a combat vehicle capable of competing with a range of 5th-generation Western aircraft, the F-22 and F-35, in almost all performance characteristics and parameters, with the exception of low-profile factors and some electronic features. The Su-35 engine with thrust vectors that are deflected horizontally and vertically allows Russian warplanes to change direction quickly 360 degrees and do all the aerobatics available for 5th-generation aircraft, Mikhailov said, commenting on the readiness of Su-35's Turkish supplies. According to him, in addition to the factor of supermaneuverability, the Su-35 also uses a number of electronic developments and innovations that facilitate pilot work in air combat conditions, electronic warfare systems that block enemy electronic work, as well as automatic system control and new air target detection systems. Russian rocket armaments also compete seriously with Western counterparts, the expert added.